video. This is our bus, Sue. It's me and my girlfriend, Lindsay, traveling. It's a 2003 International 5-window with the 7.3 diesel. And yeah, come on in. So we kept the front kind of just as it was after ripping out all the ceiling panels. Once I got to here, it was like a whole nother beast getting those ones out. So we cut it off right here, and then at night we just kind of close everything off. And we got a cat with us, so we got his litter in there. We use little pellets so they don't make a mess everywhere. And this was one of our cool little things when we're driving that stays closed. Then we bring it out for him when we're stopped. This was the only piece that I didn't build in here. This was just a side of the road find, and it was super solid, so we just secured it a little bit more and bolted it down. Then yeah, from there we didn't have too much of a plan. We had a general idea of what we wanted, but I just kind of started working our way around. And this was a must-have for me, the Cubic Mini Cub. It does pretty good. We've been in a few snowstorms already, and we just have to feed it like 2-3 times a night. But we've been totally fine. And then underneath I have all the wood chopping stuff, and then this is where I keep all our little chunks of wood, and we use the recycled compressed logs. And then this is also like a little guest seat. And this is a little storage thing for a table that I have not built yet, but once we have the table, that's where it's going. This little heat shield thing came from one of the light bars that went in that back window there. I just needed something to protect that a little better. And yeah, then we built a little couch area. This has storage underneath both sides. All the cat food, some of our snacks. And the same thing over here. So for this one, for the wheel wells, I built this one rounded over so we could have a little more storage. Where with that wheel well, I knew the kitchen was going here, so I built a box over it, so it was kind of easier to build up and around.
And the curtains too.
Yeah, the curtains. Since we want to do some winter stuff, keeping the heat in was huge. So she sewed these out of drop cloths, just Harbor Freight drop cloths. Made these pockets, and we keep the reflectix in there and tuck them in at night, and it stays pretty toasty. And then over here is the main power station. I did everything 12 volt, and then we have an inverter for anything else we need. But yeah, I just got 2 outlets, our bedroom light on the dimmer, and then we did the Renogy 200 watt RV kit. So that's our charger for that. And then more storage here. That's like my junk drawer. She's got her junk drawer over here. All our computer stuff, monitor, that all tucks away in there.
And we lock it when we're driving. Yeah,
and they got these little latches for when we drive. And our first trip out, we had a couple things fall down, but everything pretty much where it is where it stays while we drive. This was a Craigslist find, the oven. That's Wilson.
We just got him a
You're
dog
way more
collar.
curious than my cat.
And then for our clothes, we just got these pre-made shelves and screwed down baskets on top, so we each have plenty of clothes storage. We didn't really sacrifice anything there. And then we got those shelves back there.
Yep.
And then, yeah, we got this off a guy who bought a Skoolie, bought a bunch of stuff to do it, and then gave up and bought an RV, so he sold us the oven for super cheap off Craigslist. And all our food is in here.
Yep.
And the bottom one too. Is the pots and pans.
Oh yeah, there's another one down here. Pots and pans.
Yep.
Then we used another one of these old filing cabinet things for our silverware. And then we got the cheaper version off of Amazon of the DC fridge, and it's worked fine for us so far. Sink is just a $40 utility sink. Then I made the faucet out of some copper pipe.
And the base of the faucet is
Oh yeah, this little washer here, it came from, I have a couple more over here, the original washers that hold in the windows.
Yep.
And it just happened to be like the perfect thickness that I needed.
Huh.
Then for a little extra counter space, we got this. This was a little last minute addition, but it's worked out great. Even for if we're sitting on the couch, you put the computer up there to watch something.
Mm-hmm. Very nice plus.
Thank you.
Thank you.
yeah, thank you.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of that great Skoolie, and in the coming weeks there'll be more. So please, I will see you next Saturday for a tour of another Skoolie. Steampunk Steve saying, see you on the road.